Alert for a missing endangered child. We are looking for Patrick Campbell, a 15-year-old white male, 5'5" with short dark hair, unknown clothing today, but typically wears a navy coat, jeans, and a dark ball cap with yellow stars and the word Alaska on it. He has been missing from the in Estes Park since 07:30 this morning. If you have any information about his whereabouts, please call the Larimer County Sheriff's Office at 970-416-1985. Please do not call 911 to confirm this message.
What the hell?
Now here is the hazard.
What in the hell? That just got relayed. What in the fudge?